braids. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Yay! Do my signature. Yay! It just keeps getting longer. I'm just gonna keep adding to my intro. Now we have a yay at the end. All right, so yes, it's been a while, okay? I'm a very, very busy person, but thank you so much for still being here. Thank you for supporting me. I truly appreciate it. But you saw my last color, I did blue. If you have not already seen that, go check it out in the iCards or the end of the video. It's also in my hair playlist. But anyways, I did X Mondo, and it literally faded out completely within a couple of weeks. I did bleach my roots, okay, but I did not bleach any of this. It just came out. So I'm pleasantly surprised because I had rainbow before that. But what we're gonna do today will cover all of this beautifully. Let me show you my inspiration pic, and hopefully the thumbnail looks just like this. I found her on Instagram, so I will leave her information linked in the description box below because her whole account is amazing. She's beautiful. All of her videos are great. Her hair is just like unicorn Barbie mermaid vibes. It's beautiful, and I strive to be like that, okay? I want that beautiful hair. We're going into summer, it is hot, and I want mermaid vibes, so that's what we're gonna go with. I have so many colors I'm working with. It's not one particular brand. As always, let me show you what I have and what we'll be putting in my hair. It will be the ombre. I am gonna try and stay on the pastel side of things this time. But for the pink, I have a few different things. So I am going to be mixing, I have my bowls, so we're just going to kind of play around with the colors and see what I can come up with. But I have Electric Watermelon from Manic Panic. So I also have Electric Paradise, and then I have Froze. So I'm pretty sure with all of these, I should be able to get a nice pastel pink, which is what we're looking for. And then for the purple, I have Purple AF from Arctic Fox. And I actually don't, it's literally like down to here. I don't have very much of that, but like I said, I don't anticipate needing very much of that anyway. And then for the blue, I have Aquamarine. I do still have the X Mondo, which is a darker blue. So if needed, I can use that. And then of course dilute it like I did last time with my last color. So I have some options on that. And then for the green, we're also going for more pastel. However, I have some neons, but I think it'll work out really good. So I have a Space Cowgirl from Arctic Fox. And then I also have an Electric Lizard, Manic Panic, which is a little bit left in there, but I really think with everything I have, I should be able to achieve what I'm looking for. So let me do some mixtures here, and I will be back to show you what I came up with, and then we'll get it on my hair. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm always excited. It's just the refresh. It's beautiful, and I love it. Come on. All right, I did put my hair up, but I want to show you. This is the Electric Paradise from Manic Panic. This is the Froze, which is probably actually more of a mixture, like leftover from a previous hair dye. And then this one is the Electric Paradise. You can see that one almost looks more corally. But we're gonna mix these and kind of just see what magical creation we come up with. I definitely need a lot more than this. It smells really good. But look, it's not as neon. Don't get scared. It's not neon like that. It is so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna make more of this, and then I'll be back to show you what I'm doing for the other colors. All right, for the purple, I don't anticipate using a lot of purple. So I did the Purple AF, which is actually really dark, which is kind of scary. All right, so this is questionable, but it's pretty pastel. It's not the same kind of purple as she has, but we'll go with it. And then for the blue, I did the Arctic Fox Aquamarine, which was again pretty dark, surprisingly. So I did a lot of white conditioner, and here we are at this point. It's very hard to get those, you know, exact to the inspiration, but you know, maybe that's the whole point, right? To have your own your own spin on things. And then for the green, this is also questionable. We have the Space Cowboy, which is right here, which is again is a previous mixture that I had. It's not original Space Cowboy. Basically, whenever I do these mixtures and whenever I have leftovers, I always save them and then I can use them for things like this. So a lot of the times it's not going to be exactly what's in the container. But anyways, this is actually, I had a little bit left of Neverland as well, and I don't like this by itself. It just doesn't work. But these two mixed together is also it's so scary. This is a weird combination. That's like neon green. Okay, so let me add more white conditioner. I'm actually low on my white conditioner. I just used the cheap stuff. I'm using so much for these colors that there's not that much left. I think I'm gonna try something different. So instead of starting at the bottom, I think I'm gonna start at the top. I'm gonna try a different technique this time. And we'll see what happens. Okay, let me change. Actually, do the magic. What am I thinking? Do the magic. Ready? Ta-da! All right, that was nice. Can you do that in real life? Just clean your room. Just do or the genie. Oh, you know that, no, she wiggles, huh? Do you remember that show? Are y'all too young for that? Let me know in the comments. Do you remember that show? I used to love it so much. All right, let me do this. All right, this is the plan. So this section in the back, I will do from the back, from the bottom up, okay? But for these, this will give us that immediate color satisfaction that we're looking for, that immediate, like, not having to wait till the end of the video to see what it actually looks like. So it's just going for it. This was just miserable fail. And I can't start at the top because then the colors are gonna bleed into it and then it's just gonna be a big issue. But I guess I need to start at the bottom. Let's do it like this. Like that. Let's try that. A little purple. A little purple. And then the blue. Oh, it's already given cotton candy vibes or something. Oh, I love it. Alright, maybe I can do the yellow, maybe it will. And then we're gonna blend. So, do our blendies. And for the yellow, I have Arctic Fox Neon Moon. And I don't have any more bowls up here and I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna be lazy. And just do it like this. How cute! I am very excited now that I see it all together. She's gorgeous. I like that already. Let's continue. She's pretty. Yay. All right, so this is gonna take way longer than what I thought. I will be back when I'm a little bit more done. All right, so you can see I've made a lot of progress. I have discovered some things along the way. I got the whole front section done. I stopped with the yellow. I replaced it with orange. Let me tell you what I'm doing. I was like, let me just try it. You know what I mean? Like maybe I don't know. But I have Eros orange and I'm not even putting yellow in it at all. I'm literally going from the pink to purple to blue to the green and then orange. And then somehow in between, it's kind of creating a yellow effect. So it still looks like it has the yellow in it. And honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about the orange, so I'm keeping it very minimal. But overall, I really like it and I think it's gonna turn out super good. And I'm gonna go ahead and start on the bottom So all I'm doing is I'm gonna start like this. So I'm gonna start and do thin layers like this all the way up until we're fully covered. This is also weird because the pink seems to be developing, if that makes any sense. It's getting darker the longer it stays on my hair. So that's very interesting. I cannot wait to rinse this out and see what it looks like. But let me go ahead and get the rest of this on my hair. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, it's finally on my hair. Let me show you the back. It turned out really good. There's a lot of green and blue. I don't know how that happens. This is what we're working with. This is what we have so far. So I'm gonna let this sit on my head and then I will see you guys back with the final result and it's gonna be great. And I'm excited. Are you ready? Yay! Okay, let's do this. Ta-da! This is the final result. Yes! All right, so this is the final result of my hair. All right, so now I'm officially a rainbow unicorn princess. I shall now be referred to as something beautiful. Comment below my princess name or my unicorn name or my mermaid name. What do you think? All right, so it did not turn out the way hers is. I feel like hers is more my inspiration pick, if you remember. Hers is more purple and pink with accents of the other colors. I guess it turned out the way it was supposed to because I'm more of a blue-green kind of person anyway, so mine seems to be more of those colors. I think if I did this again, I would put the, like originally, like I said in the beginning, and then somehow it didn't work out, I would put the pink further down to here, and then maybe this section be purple, and then the blue, and so on from down there. And maybe even just stop at the green and just have a hair color like that. I think just those 4 colors would be really pretty too. But let me show you the back. Oh, and I didn't curl it. I figured I would do something a little bit different. Same thing with this. We went a little crazy, okay? I don't know. All right, let me show you. Yes, I love it. All right, what do you think? All right, let me know what you think about this. What would you have done different? Yeah, I definitely like the colors. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, you ready? This way? Subscribe for more awesome videos. No, hold on. I didn't do that right. Okay, you ready? I know some of you like to follow along with me, and we're gonna sing it together. You ready? If you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.